Okay guys, I'm very excited. The rest of my lighting came in for the Track R53 because if you guys remember in the intro video, this back end is just, not happening. We're not having that. Absolutely not. Also the third brake light is completely knocked out. So we're gonna be replacing that today. I'm very excited. Hopefully, at some point we will actually be getting some aftermarket taillights, likely the ones that are on Stella, just because I like those ones so much, and they're all black, so I really would like to do that on this car as well. So yeah, I'm really excited actually for these taillights, because I finally got to go with smoked ones for a car, because yeah, because. Alrighty, so for this third brake light, it's actually these 3 screws that hold it in. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out, and it should drop out. Don't forget, don't yank it out, because there is the wiring holding it in. Alrighty, so I actually had to stop filming real quick because I had to get in the trunk to do this. But I'm not sure what this is. I don't know. These were really stuck, again, probably have never been replaced. So what I did was, as I was holding it, I pushed with the back end of a screwdriver to pop it loose because they were really stuck, so that it didn't damage anything. But yeah, so now I'm gonna get the bottom side, but that's why I didn't see the original push out. Yay! Alrighty, so here's the new one. Lesson learned, I needed to pull this wrap in more because on the third brake light it actually got caught. So just pull it up. I'm still gonna keep it on to protect the face, but yeah, so you know, learn from my mistakes. Alrighty, so now I got the plug in, so I'm just gonna go ahead and tighten this down. That's really all that's left to do because everything clipped in already. I don't think I'm actually gonna go as far as the one was that we pulled out because I think it was too sunken into the body. So I want a little more of a flush fitment. Here we go. Whew. So I think I'm actually really happy with this. I like how it sits. Yeah, I think that's just enough out that it looks natural. Oh my god, they look so good. I love it. Okay, we gotta do the other side. We gotta do it now. Right now. Hopefully this one's easier to get out than the last one. So we'll see. Oh yeah, that's much easier than the last one. The last one did not want to come out. Okay, so the other really nice thing about these taillights is they already come with the resistors and whatnot attached, which is super nice because there's a lot of other taillights that you actually have to put them in and whatnot if you want LEDs. So I think it's super convenient that these come already done, especially if you're someone like me who absolutely hates wiring and I'm really just bad at it. I don't like it. So this is great. Alright, let's install it. Alrighty, so we're gonna check to make sure all the lights work real quick, and then we'll be set. Brakes. Yep. Signal. Yep. Alrighty, so overall I am super happy with these. Plug and play is my favorite thing. I hate any kind of wiring, soldering, etc. Unfortunately, the third brake light did have some issues, which is interesting. This is, I think, my third one that I've bought from that company, and I've never ever had any issues, but for some reason the little connector was a little loose, so we just decided to solder it straight on to the third brake light so that there wouldn't be any problems, because I don't want intermittent third brake lights, especially knowing that this thing's going on the track. I want everybody to know that I'm braking. But yeah, other than that, super easy, super simple install, especially these taillights. They're so awesome. I'm obsessed with them. They make this car look so good. I swear these taillights put so much more focus on the body and made it look wider, and I don't know how a taillight did that, but I love it. Alrighty guys, well, I hope you like this. I hope that in the future we get to do front end lighting mods. I would really like some halo lights on the front, as well as the same headlights that Stella has, as I mentioned earlier. So keep an eye out for that in the future. Once we get a new front bumper and a new hatch and possibly a new hood, this thing is going to be in tip-top shape, and it's going to be the best looking track car out there, or at least in my opinion. Peace out guys, and I will see you in the next one.